Hey, this is Giorgio from C Lambda and I'm going to present to you LiveMonetize. LiveMonetize is our newest platform for digital creators of all sorts to create online events and sell tickets to their audience. To get started as a content creator, go to LiveMonetize.com. The way LiveMonetize works is by integrating with Google Meet and Google Calendar to host the actual event, through Stripe and PayPal to handle tickets and payments. We got full automation to send out invites, tickets, and reminders to your audience. To get started as a content creator, go to livemonetize.com and click Plan Your Next Event. Now we can sign in with Google. You need to grant access to your calendar so that LiveMonetize can organize events on your behalf in Google Calendar and Google Meet. You also need to grant the send email on your behalf policy. Click allow. And we are in. Now, as a content creator, I want to host events. The page here, you need to think about it the same as your Instagram page or YouTube channel or website. This is just a way to be found and where your events will be listed. You can then link from your main social media account to your LiveMonetize page and vice versa. Now I'm just going to say Giorgio's events. I will sell some tickets here, and the handle is what will appear in the URL. It should be the same as you use on YouTube, X, Instagram, whatever. Create new page. Now we are in the creator dashboard. From this page, we can create new events. First of all, we should go to the settings and we need to configure Stripe so that we can actually receive money. Now you will not see it here. I need to authenticate in Stripe. Okay, so now let's just say we need, as you can see, we can just enter some test data now. We are just doing a demo. And here you just need to enter your personal details, where and how you're going to receive money. So here's me. And I'm going to say we are in the digital products, software as a service industry, and just leave clambda.com website here. This could be, again, your personal website, your Instagram page, you name it. This is where you will receive your money. Okay, now you can just enter a test account. And that's it. We are onboarded on Stripe and we can now create events with paid tickets. So back to events. Add event. Let's say my first live stream, and I will schedule it for tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'm going to sell a ticket for $9. Hit create event. The Google Meet event will be created in your Google Calendar. Okay, so here we are. This is our new live stream. We can go to see the public page. As we said, we are now in the content creator dashboard, but if you hit view public page, here we are. Now, this link is what you can share with your audience. You can either share this link directly, going to your event where they can buy tickets, or you can share your public page. This is the one we created earlier.